the artist of the year last year and the best female artist in Uganda. My friend, Wenjagale Nyo, the beautiful Ava Pisi.
Walk on that scene. Walk on that scene.
Yeah. That's the way I go. Say, Aboba Kumi, they were like Obanilana, Kobawana, and then Mutaka. Whatever you know, what's the Kuluma Bangalo?
Look at me.
I'll be the one for my side. I wanna go. Oh no, don't you get coffee asking me? Because it's a complete coffee, yeah. And if I can see the young song before, what's it? Look at me. Oh, just put the tail on. What is it? Oh no, say, what does it say? What's it? Sing for other piece again, cut them with Jonah T.
Hello.
Yeah. Put on up, this is the last song. Say, Aboba Kumine wala Kobalinana, Toba Wana Temuteke, Whoever Nyumba was Sukuluma Bangalo.
Talk to me. You go cause my salary. For your fire.
Say, Kalanje Kekoti asking me, Kakusika Boboy Kamini, yeah. And you don't know what is in your soul,
I trust nobody.
dig it out, dig it out. Oh no, say, what don't you trust that you want to do? Then you come here for me and I do. Baby, I got you. Oh no, say,
Thank you. I put your words up in the air.
praise for the last. Yaga tukubire peno ni muungaleza amanyi na chi. Nasala ko Steve Jini nga